Hey guys, welcome to the live stream. Give me one moment. I'm gonna check the live chat right now. Hold on. Don't mind my hair, cause I literally just woke up. So that's why my hair looks so awful. Don't judge. Hold on. We'll be putting my AirPods in the charger. Gonna charge my AirPods the same way the Apple stock is charging right now for a bull rally. It's gonna be very swift. Alright guys, make sure you are hitting the thumbs up. Hit the thumbs up, guys. It would really help out. Get this video out to as many people as possible. Are we muted? No, we're not muted. We're fine. I'm checking the live chat right now. Hey, Cuckoo Bird, how you doing, man? Ibrahim Kidwai, hey man. Cuckoo Bird says, can you do Facebook, please? Soon. Right now, we're going to be focusing on Apple, Amazon, and Palantir. But we need to get more people into the live stream, guys, so hit the thumbs up so we can start with this analysis. Hit the thumbs up, guys. Pump those numbers. We need people to get in here. There's about 3,920 people. We're almost at 4K subscribers. I'm so excited, guys. Hit the subscribe button. Let's get to 4K. That's amazing. I never expected this to be ever reached, but we're getting so close to the 4K. Simba Sim says, Amazon take today. We'll go into it in a couple minutes. Jacka says, hey man, thumbs up. Yeah, thumbs up to the live stream, guys. It will push the video towards the moon. No, I'm kidding. But it's going to push the video towards as many subscribers as possible. We'll get we'll get a lot of traction, and then we can start the live stream analysis. We need as many as people to see this analysis, so that's why. So hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We're almost at 4,000 subscribers. I would really appreciate that if we could reach that goal. That would be awesome. Oh my, look at that. Apple going to 111, as we said, is going to go up. Probably to the 112 first. But we're gonna get into this analysis very soon. Amin Mohammed has posted a thumbs up emoji. Thumbs up to the live stream, guys. Jerby Martinez clapping right now. Yeah, I mean thanks, man. Jacka says, yeah, 4K by your hard work. I mean, I'm having fun, so I wouldn't call it hard work. So almost 4K subscribers, pretty nice. Let's see how many people are watching right now. I think there are like 10 people right now. Or am I wrong? 14 people watching. Nice. That's super nice. It's great stuff. Internet is fine. Live chat is live. Posted everything. Is the thumbnail correct? Hold on. I'm going to check the thumbnail real quick. Yeah, the thumbnail is also correct. Checking everything. All right. So, did I forget anything at all? I think I did. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna have to Go to the Patreon. Put this right there, right? Public page. View the public page. Okay, there we go. All right, guys, we need 20 live viewers to start with this analysis. We have 18 right now, 2 more viewers. Guys, hit that thumbs up, pump the thumbs up right now. Pump it up right now. When we have 20 viewers, we're going to start with the Apple, Amazon, and the Palantir analysis. We got 18 people. 2 more to go. We got 3,920 subscribers. We're very close to the 4K subscribers. So make sure you're subscribed and you hit the notification bell for future live streams. All right, guys, we got 20 people in the live stream right now. Let's begin the analysis. Just give me 1 second. I'm gonna have to delete these. It's gonna look a little bit ugly. I'm gonna make a video out of this as well. So, all right. Let's just look proper. I'm gonna have to get some resistance lines in here as well. Give me 1 moment. There we go. Once we have the resistance and support lines, we can start recording. But for now, we'll have to draw this real fast. There we go. Keep the thumbs up, guys. Keep liking the video. It's going to push this video out as many people as possible. Let's get to the 4,000 subscribers super fast. That would be awesome. So far, I think we've got enough. This could potentially be one. Yeah, right there. All right, I think this is going to be enough. This is going to be enough for the Apple analysis. All right. So, what was this line again? This line doesn't make sense. Can we draw the trend line properly? Have we drawn the trend line properly? That's the question. Wait, where is this trend line heading? This is wrong. Wait 1 second. So, I'm gonna do it like that. This is more recent, right? This would make more sense. And we'll have to move this all the way to there. Okay, so right now we are below the trend line. Yeah, we went below there as well, so this is not very uncommon. Yeah, like the video, guys. Make sure you do that. As many as people can then watch this video, and that would be awesome. All right, so it looks like we are a little bit below the trend line, which is a little bearish, but maybe if we move this just a little bit, this would be more accurate. Around there. So we're still a little bit below the trend line. All right, we're about to start the analysis. Gonna grab the brush. Okay, so we're not gonna. Yeah, okay, we're gonna grab the brush. Zoom in a little bit properly. Drink some Pepsi, like Warren Buffett always does. Oh wait, he drinks Coca-Cola. Okay, check the weather, check the time, check my breath. No, I'm kidding. Hey guys, welcome back to Lucid Trading. I am Gara. Today we're going to be taking a look at Apple stock for the 30th of October, which is Friday, the last trading day of the week. I'm super excited. We had earnings yesterday. Earnings were pretty good. Although they were good, they did not report most of their iPhone sales this quarter, obviously, because of the fact that they delayed the iPhone release because of COVID. So that's why we had a huge correction after earnings, which gives us a huge buying opportunity. Anyway, before we get into this analysis, make sure you hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel. We are almost at 4,000 4,000 subscribers. So make sure you subscribe. Get us to the 4,000 subscriber mark. That would be amazing. Would really appreciate that, and hit the thumbs up. On top of that, guys, check out the Patreon. Patreon link is in the description. You can get early access, consultations, buy and sell signals, shout outs, and many more things at the Patreon. Without further ado, let's get into this analysis right the hell now. Okay, if we take a look at the MACD, we see that we're bottoming out on the MACD. We're going to have some bullish momentum coming up. That's why we said, all right, we're going to go to 111, 112. After that, we're going to go to $113, which makes a lot of sense. RSI is very low. Usually we start going up at this RSI. We've seen this recently as well, so that makes a lot of sense. Now, this does not necessarily mean we're going to keep going up. We'll just see a upside movement towards the $115, $114 for the short term, and might see a little bit of a correction after that. We just want to go above this trend line because, as we can see, Apple really loves this trend line. It is in love with this trend line ever since, I think it was March. So we should be able to keep up pace with this trend line for the long term. So this could be the best buying opportunity until the end of the year. We're not going to see another buying opportunity for approximately, possibly another 3 months. And since the coming months are going to be the best months for Apple, and since the iPhone 12 earnings are going to be postponed towards the next quarter earnings, I would expect a lot of upside movement, potentially going to the all-time high, which is around 138. I think it will go above that. I think we'll definitely reach the $2.5 trillion market cap for Apple stock, maybe even $3 trillion, because there's just a lot of stuff going on for Apple. They have increased their earnings for their non-iPhone products by record levels. So if they release their iPhone 12 earnings, it is going to be on top of that, on top of the record levels of non-iPhone sales. So it's going to be very, very positive next quarter, and it's about to get priced in a couple weeks from now. So this would be a great buying opportunity, as I said. So now looking at the short term, as I said, we'll go to 112, 113, and $115. Now I want to look at the 1 hour and the 4 hour to get a clearer picture of where things are headed. Now let's go to the 1 hour. Just quickly switch, and we'll check it out right now. So I would say that we'll just move this a little bit like that. All right, so the 1 hour. 1 hour is looking very similar, although it's taking a little bit more time to go bullish on the 1 hour, so we could potentially extend the time frame in which Apple will be going bullish. But it's the same thing we've been seeing on the 30 minutes, which makes a lot of sense. I mean, the difference between the 30 minutes and the 1 hour usually is negligible. However, it's nice that it looks similar, because that means that we're still going to see a bullish pattern coming up. This bearish movement like here could be very similar to what we're going to be experiencing. This could be a potential bottom right around here, and we'll move upwards about, I think this was about 4 to 5%. So it isn't too uncommon to see these moves. Actually, if the markets go bullish, we'll be able to extend as far as the $118 mark. But we'll see what happens on the markets. And if the markets are up, then Apple obviously will be going up huge. But I'm just going out from a neutral perspective. Neutral perspective would be 114, 115 would be the near-term target after a brief correction. If there's bullish sentiment, then we will not see this correction. We'll just keep going up towards the 116, 117, and 118. But I doubt that will happen right away. We were seeing the elections next week. Super uncertainty among retail and investors in general. So not seeing a lot on the 1 hour, similar stuff to the 30 minutes. Let's head over to the 4 hours. The 4 hours should be looking way different, obviously. Yeah. Okay, so let me just delete this pattern. We're going to draw a new one very soon. Let me zoom in a little bit for you guys. All right, so we can see that there is a lot of bearishness right here. However, even on the 4 hours, you're seeing that the bearishness is about to subside. The MACD is about to bottom. So I would say that this would be a. I even said it before. This at 108.6 was a great buying opportunity. I personally bought at around $109, right around the bottom. Put a couple hundred in there. Let me just delete that. And yeah, this could be the bottom for now. So we would, as we said, we would go up towards 112, 114, come back down, and then we would keep going up to 116, 117, 118. We'll have brief corrections on the way, and then we'll go over the trend line over time. This would take a couple weeks, right? We would see similar movements like we saw right around here. This looks very similar to here. So we went down. Hold on, we went down significantly, and then we went sideways to the downside. Bottomed out, we went upwards just like that, and similar move, but then smaller, downwards, bottomed, and then we start going up. Hold on. Right, so on the 4 hours, we see that the RSI is even lower, MACD is even lower, so there's a lot of room to be going to the upside. I do believe that the RSI also will be moving towards the overbought level in the coming weeks, especially during mid-November to the end of November after the elections. I would say that if Donald Trump would win, we would see a huge surge in the stock price, about 4 to 5%, like literally a week after or during that week. If Joe Biden would win the election, we would see sideways movements due to the fact that he is proposing to increase corporate taxes. But Apple might not be affected. I'm not sure about that yet, but we'll see what happens. I think Trump will definitely be a positive catalyst, and we can see actually the markets are right now, they're pricing in a Joe Biden win. And they're also pricing in COVID. So there's also a lot of movement happening towards the upside very soon whenever this uncertainty subsides. And then we'll go back to the trend line. Now, I want to look to the 1 day very briefly, see what the 1 day is telling us. So far, the hourly is checking out, the 30 minutes is checking out, the 4 hours is checking out. So let's go to the 1 day. This will be very, very interesting. All right, this is the 1 day. Yeah, this is checking out, definitely. Definitely checking out. Oh my gosh, this is going to be amazing. I had to sell some of my own Apple stock. I feel so bad about it actually, because I was gonna get better equipment for the live stream. All right, so this is the daily for Apple stock, and as we can see, the MACD is about to bottom. We saw that there's less volatility on the MACD because we're just stabilizing around this price point. We're getting used to the fact that Apple is now trading above $100 per share or $400 pre-split. So this is great news. We're about to bottom on the MACD. MACD is looking about to go bullish. You can see right here. Right now we're at the 111 mark right there, and we could potentially see ourselves go to. But this is going to be pretty great. As I said, we'll rally towards the trend line, and then once we're above this trend line, we're going to see huge upwards movements, making a new high, possibly in December. So that's like 3 months from now, which would this could very well happen. We'll see rallies towards the all-time highs happening very soon. The same way we did it right there, but possibly with a little bit less fuel because in the winter we're going to see a little bit more uncertainty. But it could. That was the neutral case. But in the bullish scenario, we could see ourselves go up significantly higher, just like that, and even go higher than where we used to be. Potentially, this was a 93. It's 50%. So like a 50% move. So what is a 50% move right around here? We could go to around. Hold on. We could go to around $160 and then top out, and then we'll correct to the trend line right there. Where we would be around $130. Is this likely? Yeah, this could potentially happen if there's no market crash. And if there would be a market crash, I would suspect us to go to 160 and then go down, keep going down, keep going down, keep going down to about $90, maybe even lower than that. Right, so yeah. But yeah, that would be the daily analysis for Apple stock. We'll reach incredible highs the coming weeks, coming months. As I said, I'll keep on saying this. Next quarter earnings is going to be absolutely amazing. Apple iPhone 12 is going to be in there. The new speaker earnings is going to be in there. They've got record income from everything that is not an iPhone. And they're also going to have a record income from the iPhone 12 because it's just going to sell out like massively, and that's going to be pushing Apple very high. And on top of that, the markets have corrected already like 10%, so there is significant upside about to come for the markets, which is also going to push Apple higher. And on top of that, stimulus is coming. Federal Reserve is pushing the markets higher with 40 billion of asset purchases each month. Donald Trump could become president. That would be insane. It's just there's a lot of positive catalysts coming up, holiday season coming up, so I would not be surprised if we reach $160 to $180 for Apple for the coming months. But however, this could also be the last leg up before a ginormous crash for the stock market in the beginning of 2021. So be cautious. I'm not saying it will happen definitely, but there's a big chance this will happen. So be careful, guys. Apple does have some huge upside. It has great long-term potential, but you don't want to be stuck holding the bag. So dollar cost average, take your profits as this goes up, and then wait until it gets cheaper again so you get the best buying opportunity. All right, let's go back to the 30 minutes and draw our pattern for the coming days. Just delete these. 30 minutes coming up. Okay, I think we're ready. Let's go. All right, so for the 30 minutes, I would say that we would see a upside move towards the $113. We would keep on going up onwards to the $114. If we're very bullish, we'll keep on going to the $116, $117, and there we would see a correction down to the $115, potentially to the $113, and we would keep going up back to the $116, $117, and then we'll push back to the $118. And this is going to be the weekend now, but for Monday and Tuesday, we could potentially go back to the 120s, especially if Donald Trump ends up becoming president. Now, well, around the election, we're going to see a little bit of a correction, and then we're going to go up to the 125, 126 once we do know that Donald Trump is president. Or if Joe Biden is president, we'll not see that move, but like a move to the downside, which would look like potentially like so we'll go sideways on the election, and then we'll go down when Joe Biden becomes president. About a 2%, 3% downside when Joe Biden is president, or if Trump is president, we'll go 2 to 3% upwards. This is based off historical price patterns of the elections. When a Republican becomes president, usually they instill short-term financial benefits for businesses, etc. And Democrats usually retract those benefits and they give it out to the majority of the people, which usually is better for the people. So it's better long term, but short term it's bad for the stock market. So that's what I wanted to say. We have 113, 115, and 116, 17 as our price targets for the coming days. This looks very bullish. RSI looking very bullish. Lots of space to the upside. Lots of space for the MACD to be going up. And yeah, guys, this was my analysis. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. And on top of that, guys, check out the Patreon. Patreon link is down below in the description. If you want to support the channel, if you want to get early access, consultations, buy and sell signals, and advice, definitely check out the Patreon. It would support the channel enormously. I'll be able to get better equipment and focus on the videos 24/7 like we're doing right now. So check that out. There's also a link towards the Discord and it's pretty awesome. We talk about stocks, we talk about investing, finance, etc. Make sure you join the Discord. Link is down below in the description. Guys, this was Lucid Trading. I hope you have a very nice weekend, and I'll see you soon. See you soon. That was terrible. That was a terrible ending. Okay, so I'm gonna take a little bit of a break, a little bit of a breather. And then after that, we're gonna do Amazon and we're gonna do Palantir. I'm gonna check how many people are in the live stream. Well, we got 52 people in the live stream. Welcome, guys. Welcome to the live stream. I am Gara. I am the guy behind Lucid Trading. I do technical and fundamental analysis for stocks. And if you enjoy these videos, and hit the thumbs up, I would really appreciate that. Subscribe to the channel. We're almost at 4,000 subscribers, so make sure you do that. I'm looking at the chat right now. Apple end of the year price target. Well, it's going to be iffy because I think Apple could potentially crash already in like mid-December. But I would say the highest point we'll reach could be around $150 to $160. So I'm just going to check all the live chat comments. Let me just go to Amazon right now. Amazon is the next stock I'm going to be reviewing. I'm going to have to delete all these lines. Hold on. Right. You think there's an upside to tech stocks? Yeah. You think Apple and Amazon is going to go up today? I think it's going to go up today and tomorrow and the next week. It's going to go up today. There's a lot of upside coming. I'm just trying to say that. Hi, Lucid. Can the market opening be totally different to the pre-market trading, or does it follow the pre-market trend? It tries to follow the pre-market, but sometimes it just does the opposite. Apple, I'm getting called. One sec. What the hell? Yeah, a friend of mine is calling me. So, what will Apple get to today? I think Apple will correct. They have done a correction, right? So they'll open they'll open negative from yesterday, but they could open and then straight go up to like $113, $115 and then stay there. And if the markets go bullish, we could go back to 116, 117, which could very well happen. Run away from NEO. I would run away short term from NEO, yeah. Short term, it's overvalued. Long term, there's a lot of potential. Tesla, please. Any Alibaba stock analysis? It's going to come in the future. Don't worry. Do you think NEO price will go down today so we can buy at a good price? What's the best price for NEO to buy right now? I think if you could get a price for NEO, it would be around $28 to $29. And then as it goes down, dollar cost average. Tesla. I want to briefly look at Tesla. I don't know if the pre-market is already showing. Pre-market is looking bad. Percentage down so far, but we actually predicted this, so I mean it's not too bad. The MACD is going up. The 4 hours going up. The 1 day. Hold on. 1 day about to bottom out, so it's fine. Tesla's fine. Tesla is fine. Back to Apple. Can I find Amazon in here? No. What's gold doing? Oh, gold's going up? Interesting. Gold's going up. Amazing energy. No, I want Amazon. Masuma Punjani says, what about Amazon share price? I think Amazon is a buy right now. It's a buying opportunity. We're down huge. We're down like so huge, guys. Look at that. Look at that downturn. If you don't buy right now and you buy at 3,400, honestly, I can say one thing. That's the most stupidest thing you can do. Usually people don't buy here. I want to explain you something. Usually people are too afraid to buy right here, and they'll buy whenever it goes up to 3,300 because it's going up. It's like, oh, it's going up, so I should buy. Yeah, right. It's going up and it's about to go down. So it's not a very smart move. You should be buying when everybody's selling. You shouldn't be buying when everybody's buying, necessarily. Tesla, please. We already did that. Palantir's coming up. Don't worry. Thanks, Lucid. Big fan. Thanks. Okay. Just gonna stretch a little bit, guys. I hope you don't mind. Been sitting on this chair. Let me just stretch a little bit. It's very healthy to like move around a little bit, because when you're analyzing stocks the whole time, it can cause your back to just get strained. All right, I think I'm solid for a couple. But you know what? I'm just gonna go to the toilet. Once I'm back, we're gonna do the Amazon analysis. So be right back. All right, I'm back. Okay, what's happening with Amazon? Yeah, before I do like the analysis, I usually like to take a brief look at what's happening. So earnings were good, but Amazon is going down. That's interesting. Yeah, I'm just looking at like price movements patterns. I mean, we already went down this much. So could we stay around this level? That's the question. Could we stay around this level? This move. I'm afraid of this move that we go back to 2,900. Just afraid of that. But I think it's not going to happen because of the earnings being so positive. Also, we might be able to draw a new trend line from this bottom to right around there. If this could hold, that would be awesome. And then we'll draw. 'Cause, 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 Does that hold? Does this make sense? I'll just draw this. Alright, this could give us a little bit more indication of where the price might be going. How many people are watching right now? I bet like lots of people left because I'm like, oh, more people joined. Hey guys, welcome to the live stream. We're going to be doing a Amazon analysis very soon. Right now I'm setting it up so we can do the analysis. And markets are about to open in like 15 minutes, so we're going to have to be fast. So, yeah, I think Apple will go up at the open. I have to check. Let me check some things out. Oh, guys, I also uploaded Tesla and NIO videos on the channel, so check that out. Also, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. We're almost at 4,000 subs. Would really appreciate it. Hit the thumbs up in the live stream if you want to see more live streams. And on top of that, check out the Patreon. Patreon link is in the description. Check out the Discord link also in the description. So far, I think we're going to trade in this channel. All right, this is not very accurate though. I think we could make it a little bit more accurate. Right, like that. Those bottoms are now going to be our tops. That is a bit more accurate. Maybe we can make it even more accurate. Just like that. Something like that. I would expect this to happen. Would this be the channel? Yeah, I think this is going to be the channel. Then we would possibly... Okay, cool. That looks pretty solid. We hit it there, we hit it there. Could we bring it back down, though? Just a little bit. Bring it back to reality. Yeah, right around there. This would be a little bit more realistic. Yeah. Okay, 4 hours checking out. When did we bottom? Right there. This should be fine as well. Yeah, this should be bouncing very soon, guys. This should be bouncing. This should bounce at open, maybe. Let's check the daily. Maybe the daily is giving us some bullish signals. Yeah, the daily is looking like it's about to bottom. I think the pre-market is already rising, so... Yeah, even the weekly is negative right now, so we could potentially see some price movement to the upside. And, yeah. Monthly is looking negative. Monthly is looking like we're going to see a black swan event around the first quarter of 2021. Like I have been saying, I think this is going to crash down in the beginning quarter of 2021. I've been saying this for months now. Jake Echo says, lol, how can it go up open when the pre-market for Apple is dominated by sellers? This guy is so misleading. Well, the thing is, I've seen this happen, you know? I remember once Tesla went down -7% in the pre-market, and then the market opened, and we just opened literally at 0.2% up. So, yes, the pre-market is an indication, but anything can happen at open, you know? We could get a lot of volume coming up. We could get a lot of hedge funds, institutions suddenly buying it, especially when the pre-market is negative. Did you learn this stuff? yeah, I learned this stuff over the years. Like, I've been watching videos, I've been doing this, I've been practicing this, I've been watching guides, I've been looking at articles, looking at everything I could. I have read like one book on it as well, but I don't want to go into the deep analysis because nobody gets the deep analysis. I've seen channels do that. It's not very successful. I can tell you that. I should probably read a couple more books about it for the long-term Elliott waves. If you guys know what it is, you can predict the future movement of stocks based off of Elliott waves. There are different kind of waves. Basically, it would be like a 1, 2, 3, and then a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's Elliott waves are like structures that are, it's psychological price action based off of particular events, and it's not very relevant. It's very complicated stuff. There are Fibonacci retracements, and they're correlated with Fibonacci numbers. We'll do that in the future if there's enough demand for it. All right, let's do a quick Amazon stock analysis. If we can go to the 30 minutes now, if it will load. It's taking its time so far. Still loading for some reason. All right, there we go. Let me check if everything is all right in the live chat. Should I sell Neo to buy? Live chat is going good. So far, everything is looking good. Hold on. Checking the technicals. All right. I think we are ready to go for Amazon stock. Whew, already to. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Lucid Trading. Today we're going to be taking a look at Amazon stock for the 30th of October, Friday, which is the last trading day, and it's also the day after earnings. Now, Amazon has reported great earnings, phenomenal. We had earnings beat, expectations beat, everything. However, Amazon still went down. The reason is that their guidance is now lower, and because of the stock market being a forward-looking market, that's going to have an impact on the short term, right? So yeah, we made that mistake. We could have seen this one coming, honestly, because right now we got COVID, but at some point COVID is going to go away, and COVID is giving a big boost to Amazon's bottom line. It's giving a big boost to everything because everybody's inside. They're not going outside, they're buying online. But whenever COVID subsides, then Amazon's earnings will go down slightly. So that is why I think the stock market moved to the downside. However, this could very well not be the case. COVID could keep on ramping. We never know. So I still believe Amazon is a steal at these prices. However, we see some bearish movement on the 30 minutes. And but yeah. Before we go into this analysis, guys, make sure you hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel. We're almost at 4,000 subscribers, so this is very exciting. We're almost at 4,000. I would love to reach that. That would be amazing. And on top of that, check out the Patreon. You can get early access and consultations at the Patreon and many more benefits. Check the Patreon in the description. And on top of that, Discord link is there as well in the description. Now, I want to start with the analysis properly right now. So I think we're seeing some more downwards movement to this bullish channel edge, where we could possibly be bouncing towards 3,228 and then filling this whole gap that we saw right here. As you can see, we also went up to 3,300 on earnings, before going down, obviously, because at first I remember seeing the earnings file. At first it was like, hey, everything is going good, and then at the end of the file it said, but yeah, guidance is bad. So that's why we saw a huge move to the upside. We went down there, and yeah, we could possibly go back to 3,300. And this time frame is going to be for today, Monday, and Tuesday, right? So this would be probably today, reaching the 3,220, and then on the election week we'll see some sideways, and then after that, if Trump gets elected, we'll probably go up huge. If Biden gets elected, we'll probably go down a little bit, just like that, to the 3,190s ish, and then we'll go back up again. All right, so MACD, as I said, was going to go up significantly from here. RSI as well. We're pretty low on the RSI. We'll go to overbought RSI. And yeah, so far the 30 minutes is looking very good. It's looking like this is going to be a pretty nice bottom to be buying in for the coming months, because Amazon usually has the maximum amount of sales in the last quarter, which is next quarter, and this is going to be priced in very soon, so you have to get into this stock super fast before the buying opportunity is gone. I remember I told people to buy at this point. I said I would buy at this point at 3,170, and then it went back up to 3,280, and then people were like, "Should I buy right now?" The same people that were asking me should I sell at this point asked me to buy at that point, which is like crazy. But anyway, this was the 30 minutes. Let's go over to the 1 hour. Also, the stock market is about to open in 3 minutes, so we're going to keep this very brief. Okay, so I think the 1 hour is going to be it's going to be a continuation of the 30 minutes. Not a lot to see here. Pretty much the same thing going on there. Let's go to the 4 hours. 4 hours is looking like, I think the 4 hours is looking pretty similar. I would just draw a little bit of a pattern to the upside, right? So we could keep on going up after this, weeks after, into November, after the election. We could just rally upwards like that, like we've seen right here. We had a rally right there. We had a rally after downturns. So this could very well happen again. I would definitely think that we would be able to reach the 3,500 by the mid or end of November. Usually at the mid or end of November, we see huge rallies for the big tech companies. Goldman Sachs recently even said that at the end of the year, the S&P 500 would be around $3,600. So if we reach a $3,600 price tag on the S&P, we'll at least see 10% movement for Amazon, because obviously Amazon is in the S&P 500, and we could even go further to around, let me draw this line, we could go further to around $4,000 at the end of the year, possibly coming up for Amazon. But I would be cautious, because I would say that this could potentially be a market crash around there, beginning of let's just say that this is the beginning of January and February. We could see a market crash happening. We'll go down significantly towards lower levels. I would guess around 2,400, potentially coming back down to the $2,000. The reason I'm saying this is because, let me just go to the weekly. The weekly is sky high. MACD is super, super high right now, and will probably come back down super soon. RSI is going to come back down soon as well on the weekly. So make sure you are very cautious. Do not go all in. Dollar cost average. Take profits. Be very, very careful. I just want to give you guidance. I don't want you guys to lose a lot of money or anything like that. This is just guidance, obviously. But yeah, that's my prediction for Amazon. This would be around... in this time frame, I would say this would be around end November, December to the upwards movement, and after December, in January, February, March, I would see a downwards movement because of the fact that COVID is going to be rampant. PE ratios are sky high. First quarter is going to be terrible for Amazon, Apple, everything is going to be terrible in the first quarter. So I would stay away from it in the first quarter. I would take profits around November and December, and let's go over towards the 1 day. 1 day is going to be very interesting. Let me just check it out. So on the 1 day, we see that we're about to be bottoming out as well, looking pretty positive. And yeah, markets have opened, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video on Amazon stock. 1 day is looking pretty similar to what I've said before. We'll see targets at 3,250, 3,300. And yeah, We're going to be looking at the markets now. I hope you enjoyed this video on Amazon. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, check out the Patreon, check out the Discord, links down below. And we're almost at 4,000 subscribers, so make sure you are subscribed to the channel. All right, let's move over to the markets. All right, so we did this Amazon video. It was a little bit of a rush, but S&P is this live right now? Yes, this is live. Cool. We're gonna have to go to the 30 minutes. So far we're going down. Okay, so our prediction is not coming true, but we're gonna have to wait, see what happens. Yeah, it does look like we're gonna go bearish now. Hold on, I'm just gonna check the live chat right now. I'm gonna check my Tesla. Tesla's at 405, which is fine so far. Hey, the S&P is going up slightly. Well, we did follow the trend line, but then we corrected at the bearish channel. You see this bearish channel? Right there, we corrected. We'll have to go upwards. I think this is not accurate. I think if we go up, yeah, well, never mind. It's going to be accurate. We're at 3,300. Markets are coming up. We had a gap down. What is Apple doing? Apple's going up 111.6, 111.7. Tesla's still down $406. As I said, we're going to first go down a little bit and then we'll go up. So that should be fine. What stocks do I recommend? I recommend Tesla. Tesla's a good buy right now. I bought some myself, like a lot of Tesla. I think AMD is a good buy. AMD is a good buy. Let me check Fiverr. I think Fiverr is looking like a good buy at this point. Let me check. Yeah, Fiverr is looking like a decent buy. I would buy small amounts. I think Amazon, small amounts of Amazon would be good. Apple, small amounts of Apple right now, that would be good. What else? Snap. Let me check Snap. Yeah, Snapchat, I would say Snapchat is going to correct. I don't like Snapchat at this moment. I think Snapchat is dangerous. I'll just like put this right there. I don't like Snapchat. This move was really sketchy. Really sketchy. Yeah, it's going to come back down very soon. Twitter. Yeah, I did predict that Twitter would go up. I think Twitter has some more upside. Doesn't it? Yeah, it does look like Twitter has some more upside. 4 hours is going down. Yeah, it's going to bottom down very soon, I would say, right around here. But yeah, we did predict a downwards movement back in 27th October. We said we would go down soon. I guess that happened, so we did a good job there. Yo, the Apple analysis was pretty dead on. Yeah, it was fine. I mean, well, it's like it's having a struggle to go up now. It should be able to go up like to the 113s. It should be able to recover some of those losses because people are going to be buying it right now, seeing it as a seeing it down as much and seeing it will probably come back to the trend line towards the $117 very soon. checking some of your messages, some of the comments. Oh, so I'm gonna check Tesla. Tesla going down. Whoa, what the hell is happening? It's like we predicted this. Okay, so we went down to the level that we said we would go down to. Now we'll have to bounce from here. See if it's gonna happen. I think I'm gonna buy more Tesla. It's at 404. Oh my gosh. Give me 1 second, guys. 404. $403. Great. I bought some Tesla at 403. We'll be buying a little bit more. Good stuff. I'm going to add more as it goes down lower. 403.3. We could potentially reach down to around 40. With the 400 levels is a strong support as we saw right there. We also go up from this level, so we might breach it slightly. But yeah, this could also be the dip, you know, this could be the dip, and then we'll just move up without hitting the 400s. RSI is super low. This stock is getting crushed by institutions. There's no volume. There's only selling volume, only selling pressure. So we haven't seen any buying yet, but it is going to come, and it's going to be very swift. So far in a bearish channel, haven't gone up out of this channel. 404.6, we're starting to go up a bit. Yeah, I think I'm going to be covering Tesla most of the time now. Every percentage that Tesla goes down, I'll pick up like a couple shares at this point. $404.6 going down to 404.3. Still lots of bearish pressure. We could see in 20 minutes from now, we could see some bullish pressure. 403.7. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Still going lower. We had a low at around 402, which was right around the bottom that we drew. So, yeah, we're waiting for that bottom to be hit. Yeah, Facebook is probably one of the best ones out there. Google did really good too. I'm going to briefly check Google and then I'll come back to Tesla. Yeah, Google's doing fine. Up like 7%. It was up like 10% in the after hours. I would pick a small amount of Google. Just a small amount. Back to Tesla. 402. Okay, if we go lower, I'm going to start buying. 402.4. Hold on. 402.8, 4.7. I'll buy a little bit more Tesla. 402.3. Okay, we're going down to the 400s, guys. Down to the 400s. I bought some at 401.5. And this could be the bottom. If this is not the bottom, we're going to go down to 399. Let's see what happens. If it's going to go, I'm going to go double down on this if it goes down further from here. We're down approximately, I think 20%. No, 25%. Actually, almost 30% from the all-time high. It's at 540 after hours. Right now we're at 401.5. It's a nice buying opportunity for the future. Very, very nice buying opportunity. Considering that Tesla has a lot of growth left. Multi-trillion company in the future. We're going lower. We're going lower. Hold on, we're going lower. So let me just keep buying some more. I'm just going to stay away from this for a little while. See if it can hit like 399. That would be interesting. Look at that volume. I can't even see it because of this bearish candle. We haven't seen a bearish candle like this since a very long time, guys. Right around here. It's like a week ago. This is a buying opportunity. If it goes to the 400, I'm going to buy some more. If it goes to 400 and 399, I'm going to buy like a lot more. Starting to look like we're going up now. 400.86, 400.93. Yeah, this could be the bottom. RSI just hit oversold. Look at that, oversold on the RSI. Very, very oversold in comparison to where we were right there. We're very low right now. 401.44, 401.25, coming back down. 401.13. Gonna deposit some more. Hold on. 401. Okay. More buying opportunities coming up. 400.38 going to 399, guys. Going to 399. $400.3. We could see a bounce coming now. Any moment. I bought at 400.5. Bought more at 400.7, 400.8. It's going to keep going down. $399 has been hit. 399 has been hit, guys. We're going lower. All right. We're hitting the 399, as we said. Got to add some more funds. buying at the 399. All right, I'm going to stay off from the buying pressure, from buying, because right now we're going to hit the support. If we hit the support and we bounce, that's great. If we keep going lower, I'm going to buy some more. But for now, I'm just going to stay away from it. Let's see what happens. See if we're going to see a bounce soon. Now, there's still some pressure to the downside left, but this candle, we could very well recover half of it very soon. Oh, we're down so much. 398.7. Look at that. 398.2. Still going down. 300. Oh, wow. We're going to 398. Are we going to go below that? Are we going to go to 390? It's going to be very interesting. We're going to dangerous levels. Next level is going to be 390. I doubt that's going to happen, but it could happen. These are all buying opportunities. I'm going to add some more to my shares. Hold on. $396. Added some at 396. We're going to go to 390. Are the markets going negative right now? Markets are going negative, taking us down. All right, MACD is going towards the bottom range, right around there, very close to it. Oh my gosh, this is like such a nice buying opportunity. I'm telling you, this is nice. This is very nice. Let me check. Minus 3%. Makes no sense. We had great earnings. Q4 is great. This is a buying opportunity, I'm telling you. Right now, down to about, this is also a support level, potentially at 395. Yeah, this could jump from here. So, some great deals, guys. If you're holding stock, just hold. Remain stable. This is just short-term negativity. All right, MACD going lower. See if we're about to bottom. No, we're not about to bottom yet. We are about to see a little bit more bearishness. 397. Anything below $400 is a buying opportunity at this point. See if we're going to get a bounce from here. This could be very interesting. We're oversold. We're oversold right now. Keep that in mind. Very oversold. Like very, very oversold. $397. Markets are going down. 396.8. 396.7. Wow, what a crash. 396.5. Still going lower. It's going to be a tough time to go through the 395 though. I still believe there's going to be a rally coming. Nonetheless, there's still going to be a rally coming very, very soon. This is nothing. This kind of movement, that's just Tesla, guys. Honestly, you got to get used to that. Are we seeing a dip like that. Hold on, so we're going down to 395, 395. We're going down to 395, guys. Hold on. 395.8. 296.2. So we're bouncing at 395 at the moment. $397. Yeah, we're bouncing, guys. We're starting to bounce a little bit to the upside. I'm gonna have to check the 1 hour, see what the 1 hour is telling us. Still negative, still not done, either sideways or downwards. We're oversold though. 4 hours starting to look a little bit more positive, more room to the upside left. 1 day very negative to the 1 day, but very low MACD about to be bouncing. So 1 week, yeah, 1 week is also negative. Ouch. Could this be a correction? Could this be like, No, I think it's too early for us to correct like that. I think it's way too early. I don't buy it. I think we're going to correct soon, but not right now. We're going to see some upside movement, and then we're going to go down in like January. Not very worried about that right now. Currently at 397. $397.3. We're seeing one of those candles right there. Institutions and hedge funds are unloading. We are oversold. We're heavily oversold right now. Last time we were oversold, we had a move of about $20 points. So expect something like that to happen very soon. I'm looking forward to it for sure. Looking forward to that bounce. I just bought in heavily, so I might just buy even a little more. I think I'm fine. I got a price at like 395, 396. It's going to 398 right now. About to go up. Oh, this is so nice. Very great. Very great, guys. Is AMD a buy right now? We're going to 397.6. Oh, look at that volume. Jeez. That volume though, it's higher than the past days. Like it's wow. Very, very high volume on the selling. Has there been bad news? Or is it just like the stock market falling? Stock market is almost down a percentage. I think the NASDAQ is down. Let me check the NASDAQ. Amazon falling. Oh my gosh. Amazon falling 4%. Apple falling 5%. Whole market is coming down. US tech down 1.5%. That's the reason why this is happening. Buying opportunities all over the place. I'm telling you. You won't get many. You will not get many opportunities like these. I'm telling you guys. Meanwhile, Google's like chilling at 5% upwards. We're at $398.6 for Tesla. So we're starting to go up now. $397.7. Interesting. I mean, the stock market is already down like 1%, so from here it could be going up. Now, I'm looking at reality, but the thing is, we can never predict the bottom correctly. We can just kind of guess where the bottom is. But we've already corrected huge. We've corrected super massively. Like, look at that. I mean, obviously we could go down further, but that would mean that we're going down despite the fact that Tesla's going to have a good earnings. It's going to have good deliveries. It's going to have S&P 500 inclusion coming up. That's just not realistic for us to go down further. At 396.78. See if the markets are bearish. Markets are going back up. Tesla's going back down. So that's happening right now. Interesting. 396.2. Oh boy, we're coming back down now. We're going to 395. I'm going to go to the 5 minutes. Five minutes about to bottom. Yeah, huge volume. Huge selling volume. Insane. Look at that. Haven't seen this kind of volume since ever, literally. We haven't seen such selling volume since about right there, which is it's a week ago. Look at that. We're seeing some bullish pressure. I think this could be the push to the upside, but we'll see. We'll see. We're oversold. We're heavily oversold on the 5 minutes. Heavily oversold right now. Last time we were oversold like this, we had a push to 414. So let's see what happens. I mean, we did predict that we will have a dip. It was just not steep enough. So next time I'll try to look into that. 398 right now, 392. We're coming back up. We'll see. Is it going to hold this level? That's going to be interesting to watch. It's having a very tough time holding this level. Let me check the live chat. Lol. Jake Echo says, how the hell is Tesla so cheap? If it weren't for the pandemic, it would be at 130 a share max. I don't think so. I think you are foolishly convinced of that opinion. I think Tesla is a great buying opportunity right now. I mean, weeks from now, this is going to stay at this is going to go to $480. And then people are going to ask me, should I buy Tesla right now? But they were here at this moment and they were listening to me. And they were like, nah, I'm not going to buy Tesla. Tesla's too low right now. Tesla's going down right now. It's down 25%. You know what? I'm going to buy Tesla when it's up 25%. And then they're going to get the bag at $500. I'm telling you, they're going to get the bag at $500. They're going to pay me for an hour of consulting, asking me, hey, I bought at $500. Tesla's at $430 right now. Can you help me out? This happens. Oh, we're going back down. Oh my gosh. This is not stopping. Great buying opportunity, I'm telling you. Look how much we're down. Just look how much we're down. In a good quarter. We're in a very good quarter. I would say the best quarters of Tesla's history, yeah. But this could also be a stock market crash. So we should be a little bit careful. Don't go all in, just dollar cost average. I would say that. Well, we're creating a higher high, I believe. If we would bottom out that right there, that would be a higher high. 395. Coming back. We're coming back now. We're going below this even. Jeez, 395, 395.4. I'm gonna deposit some. Hold on. $395.4. And I hope it stays there because I want to just get some in. All right, got some more Tesla at 395. Could go lower than that though. We were not bottoming yet, but we're very close to a bottom. 395.18, 395, 394, 395. Okay, so we're gonna go to 390 now. We're gonna see ourselves go to 390 so far. Insane. This is so insane. There's no institution helping us out. We're bottoming on the MACD. We're bottoming on the MACD. So this could very well start picking up. RSI oversold heavily. Heavily oversold. Around this range, guys, we do see it bottoming out. So this could be the bottom. I'm gonna keep saying this. This could be the bottom. Looking like we bottomed there, we bottomed here, we bottomed here. So I'm confident this is gonna bounce back. It's not gonna go to 380. I don't think it's gonna go to 380. If the markets crash further than 1%, like 2 to 3 to 4%, then yes. If in any other case, nah, it's not going to crash to 380. $396 coming back up. Are we bottoming now? Are we bottoming now? That's the question. Are we? Is this the bottom? Let's hope so. Let's definitely hope so. I'm gonna check my positions. Looking good so far, coming up to 396. And let me check. Hold on. Oh man, look at the MACD. MACD is so steep right now. Are we pumping? 396.9. Going to the 397. 396. Okay, so we're going positive now for a brief moment. And okay, lighter candle. That is a good sign. That's a very good sign. So could we form a bottom right there? That's the question. Have we done this before? Yeah, we've done this before. We've done such a similar move before, right there, right here as well. $397.22. Okay. Come on, some bullishness. We need some really green candles now. Some really green ones. Going back to the 400s, for example. Okay, going back to 397.7. I think institutions are buying right now. Could possibly be the institutions. Volume is picking up. Volume is really picking up. 398. 398.2. Volume is picking up. All right, that was it. That was the show. Goodbye, guys. Nah, okay, so we're oversold. We're about to see a bounce to the upside. So it's going to be very nice. $398.4. I bought some Apple. We're coming back down. That is strange. We should be going up right now. So strange. No, I don't look stressed. I just woke up, so I look awful. Checking the live chat right now. I think we'll see a retracement to the 400s, and after that, we'll see a retracement to the 404. We'll have to be patient for that. Still moving sideways. Yeah, I don't know. I think Elon was tweeting some really weird stuff. I agree with that, but we should be fine. He didn't tweet anything like funding secured or, so it should be fine. It's not too bad. Wait, what's happening to Zoom? Is Zoom going up or is it getting crushed? Yeah, Zoom is getting crushed. They're starting to price in that COVID might go away next year. So that's bad for Zoom. For Zoom to be going up, we need people dying. Literally. Let me check Neo, my phone. Neo. Neo's still doing great. Neo's still doing great. That's fine. Oh, Tesla coming up now, 398.8. Cool. That's nice for my portfolio. Great. I hope we keep going up. I bought some more. Okay, could this be the push 398.5? Or are we gonna go lower? Yeah, we're gonna go lower. Nah, this should be the push, right? So 397.88. Going lower now, see what happens. $398.17. Very interesting movement here. $398. Damn. Still going down. Wow. Still going down. Still oversold. Still oversold, guys. MACD still down substantially. 397.6. I'm going to check the 30 minutes. See what the 30 minutes is saying. At 30 minutes, still bearish. Still going down. Don't have a lot of room to the downside left, so 397.96 right now. Check the 1 hour. 1 hour bearish still. This could potentially be topping out at. This could be bottoming out right now on the 1 hour. 4 hours is undecided. However, this could very well be bottoming out on the 4 hours as well. One day, very negative, very negative, very, very negative so far. It does look like we might see some bullish momentum like we saw right there. This upward movement. I'll check the 30 minutes now. Still down 3%. Markets are going up. Tesla's going down. Going to 395. Going up to 396 now. Oh boys. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I bought some more Apple at 109. I wouldn't be too scared. Everybody's fearful. Everybody's selling out. You should be the one that is like solid like a rock. Buy the stock at a low price, hold it for the next months. That's what I do. Oh boy, that is a bad sign. That is a very bad sign. We're gonna stay oversold. We could go down another percentage, guys. Oh my god, we're gonna go down to 390. I think we're gonna go down to 390. Yeah, we're gonna. Oh no, we're gonna go down to 390. No, we're gonna go down to 390. Oh, I'm pretty sure about that. This red candle sort of signifies that. So there's another percentage downturn coming. Uh, 394.55. Still at 394. $393.9. Wow, this is insane. Insane bearishness happening. Very, very insane. So we're down approximately from when was this? From the 15th of October and 14th of October, which is 2 weeks ago. We're down about 15. No, wait, it's even more. It's about. Let me use a calculator to get the exact amount. So if I use a calculator, right now 493.8, which is about a difference of $70. $70 divided by 4.6 Hold on. 4.65. We're down 15% in 2 weeks. 15% in 2 weeks. That's insane. Usually when we're down 15%, we see solid moves to the upside. But right now, we're going to go down to the 390s. Stocks are bearish. My case, the design that I drew right there, that was bullish. Neutral bullish. Right? This is bearish. Stock markets go down. So it's an excuse, but yeah. I mean, what can I say? Stocks are tanking. Yeah, stock market is tanking 1%. Google's still going up. It's still 4% up, Google. 392. There we go, 392. $392. We should be bottoming at 390. According to what's been happening with the MACD, yeah, this is similar to this one. Similar move to this one. It's very similar. But this one's even, I guess it's a bit more negative. 392.7. From the all-time high, we're down about 21%. Even more than that, actually. 21% down from the all-time high. MACD is literally at the bottom. It's lower than we have seen in a long time. We've seen it the 23rd go down this low, and then we had it move up. So, yeah, we've not seen the MACD this low. So, the lowest point we've seen it was when we had the deliveries, right? So, we'll see what happens. So we came back down to 391. We kept going to 398, and then that was back then. Will we see something similar? That's what I wonder. I mean, we're going back up to 394. Will this be our savior? Will this go up now? Phoenix Nation says, look at Zoom. Well, things change, you know. People are pricing in now that the COVID situation is going to be better very soon. And yes, Zoom, if you know that since the very beginning, if you don't know this, then why are you investing in Zoom? Zoom is going up because COVID. Literally, Zoom is going up because of COVID. If you don't know that, then why are you investing in Zoom? What are you doing? Get out of here. Honestly. You're investing in Zoom because COVID is around, so everybody's using Zoom. Nobody's going to use Zoom when COVID is gone. That should be in your mind since day one. You should be looking at the COVID cases. If COVID is spiking, Zoom is going to go down because people are already pricing in that it will spike. If COVID is at the bottom, Zoom is going to go up because probably the COVID cases will go up as well. It's easy as that. back to 492.88. Wow. Insane. Very insane. COVID is not going, dude. Well, tell yourself that, but they're creating COVID vaccines right now. They're actually already there, but they have to manufacture it. So they're already there, but they have to manufacture it for millions of people. They already exist. They already have working vaccines. They're just testing them right now. You're delusional if you're saying that there's no COVID vaccine, if COVID is not going to go. Next year, COVID is going to be like the Spanish flu. No, not the Spanish, but the Mexican flu, I think. There was another virus. It was for like a year and a half. And I literally, like, after a year and a half, it was just gone and just nobody talked about it anymore. COVID is going to be like that. Oh, 391.2. We're going down to the 390s. Down to the 390s. Very ugly. Still oversold. Heavily oversold. Very, very ugly. Haven't seen this move in quite some time. Still no end in sight. All right, we're going to take a look at Apple a little bit. Apple's starting to go up. That's cool. That's cool. Go back to Tesla. Yeah, I'll be covering. Oh my god, 391. Almost at 390. This is crazy. This is so crazy, guys. This is so crazy. Technicals were not pointing out to this. Gotta tell you that. Fundamentals are. Fundamentals are uncertain. This should be the bottom. 390. This is a strong support. 400 was a strong support. Went through it. We should be bottoming at 390. Around the 390 range. Let me go to the 30 minutes and I'll show you. Let me check this trend line. Does it work out? I'm just gonna keep the trend line right there for good luck. No, I'm kidding. But we're like way down right now. Our prediction has not come true. We did say it would go down, not this down though. I said like a percentage or two, but let's just move this right there. See if it's gonna move this manner. Go back to the 403. All right, very cheap. Oh, 390. 390 has been breached. 391 has been breached. That's insane. That is absolutely insane. $390.8, 390.5. Are we going to 389? This is going to be, oh my gosh, we're going to 389. 389.5, 389.1, 389.8. Insane, holy moly. 389.6. Is this going to hold? Is this going to hold? Or is it going to go down to 380s? We're down like 5% now so far. 5% down. Markets are down. Markets are pushing Tesla down right now. If you want to grab some very cheap Tesla, right now is the time. 389, going to 388, 388.9 right now. See what happens. MACD is literally at the very bottom end right now. Literally at the very bottom end. 388.3. Wow, this is jaw dropping. Buying opportunities all the way. Dollar cost averaging, obviously, going back to 389, 388.7. This is definitely like, if you're dollar cost averaging, you're winning huge. 388.3. Will this go to 387? That's the question. Lots of selling pressure. Only selling volume right now. No buying. Just selling. Everybody's selling. Hold on. 389. We should be able to go back to the 390s. Checking the live chat right now. I think Tesla right now, if you can dollar cost average this, I would buy like 10 to 20% of your funds. I would put my 10 to 20% right now into Tesla because it's so cheap. I'm going to call my friends. Hold on. Don, Okay, so I had to call my friends because this is such a great buying opportunity. Um, I bet everybody left the live stream. Oh, they didn't. Yeah, this is a solid buying opportunity. Solid. Classic. Okay, so I just bought like 2,000 worth of Tesla stock right now. 2,000. Let's see what happens, all right? Let's see what happens. This could potentially get me about 4K. 4 to 5K. Oh, I'm so excited. I am so excited. This is like a incredible buying opportunity for Tesla. I don't know what you guys are doing, but this is incredible. MACD is about to be bottoming. I don't know about you guys, but this is so great. This is so great. I'm happy. I'm always happy if I see a really good stock go down. You will never see me sad. I did times 5 leverage. So I just don't see it go down further than this. Like honestly, well, what kind of buying opportunity would you want? Like this is literally it. This is literally the moment, you know? That's just my opinion. Let's go back to the 5 minutes. Maybe I should rename the video. Oh, hold on. I'm also going to change the thumbnail. I think it's this one. Yeah. Whoa, 133 people watching right now. Guys, my name is Lucid Trading, and I'm here to analyze stocks, fundamentals, technicals, name it. Right now, Tesla's moving really low. Look at that. Still going lower after all that. That is incredible. That is literally incredible. This is amazing. Amazing buying opportunities. We're down like what? Are we like down 6% right now? Like oh, we're probably down like 6% so far. Market's almost down 2%. Ooh, wow, this is insane. Look at that. Wow. Look at the MACD. Look at the MACD. Wow. That is crazy. Crazy. Last time we saw a bottom around here. But this was after deliveries, I bet. Yeah, that was after the deliveries. Crazy movement, guys. Crazy, crazy movement. I'm gonna have to do something real quick. 1 second. Give me 1 second, guys. Okay, I'm back. Had to briefly check something. Back pumping 387. 387. Yeah, okay, so this is giving us another signal. Could be bottom right now. This is giving us another signal. Unless it goes back down again to 385. This could be the signal for us. So we have to. Oh, are we pumping? 388.8, 388.9. Okay, that's a little bit of bullishness. Starting to go bullish now. Still oversold. Lots of room left to the upside. Lots and lots. We're going to go through 389 probably. 389, 380, 390 would be very soon. Oh, we're not. We're just going to go sideways. Screw it. Checking the live stream chat. Hold on. $387.8. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you where I bought. I bought at 408. I bought a tiny amount there. I bought at 404. I bought at 399. Bought at 395-ish. And I bought a lot right here, like a lot. Couple $1,000 worth of shares. So if this goes up, this is gonna be a huge gain for me. Currently checking the live chat. Hold on. Wow, we are still trading sideways. This is crazy. I think the markets are telling us what to do, and right now market's still down huge. So far, so good. I would expect. Let me just delete this. I would expect Tesla to see a significant bounce from here. MACD would go up like that, literally bounce. Like I'm telling you, it would just literally bounce like that. Hedge funds and institutions will literally buy it up like mad. At this point, I will see it go down there, and then we'll go up to around the 406. Is this right? Yeah, probably something like that, and we'll go up like that in the coming days. Maybe the time frame is a bit optimistic. Nah, this is a great time frame. This could be it. I'm gonna have to mute. I'm gonna call a friend of mine to about Tesla. So One sec. I'm back again. All right, so this is exciting. This is so exciting. We're going even lower, 385, 384. Wow. This is exciting. This is very, very exciting. Look at that. Look at this rally to the downside. It's crazy. Crazy amount of downturn. We're down 80 points. We're down 20%, around 20% now, short term. And long term, we're down 30 to 35%. With Tesla, this is one of the best stocks out there. One of the best companies out there to invest in. Let's see what happens, Maybe we'll go up, maybe we'll go down. It keeps going down. Yeah, right. I'm just going to replace this structure right there. I'm loving it. I'm loving it, honestly. I am loving it. So far, so good. Yeah, looking like this is not going to last. This downturn is not going to last. Look at the MACD. Historically speaking, this is the largest downturn in MACD we've seen since the deliveries at the beginning of the month. So this could be could see a huge pump soon. I got a couple thousand at like 395, 390, 380, 388, around that range. Oh wait, what? 383? What the hell? Damn! Would you look at that? So much selling pressure. Crazy amounts of selling pressure. Still oversold. People are selling like mad. This downturn is, oh, wow. Let me check the 30 minutes. 382. We're hitting 382. Craziness. Tesla down about 7%. %7 downturn. Jeez. So this downturn was about, I mean, if you count this in, this was about 40 points, right? Okay, so 20, 30, 35 points. When have we gone down 35 points this fast? I mean, this took us so long, you know, like 35 points was right around the deliveries. So we're having a similar downturn. We could see an uptrend of about 20 points, $20 points, right? That could happen very fast, very soon. As fast as it came down, it's going to go up, probably. We saw there that we had an upturn of about, what is this, 20 points, $20 points? So I'll take that, you know? If it goes up that much, I'll take some profits. Oh, wow, 381? We are literally at 381.8? Damn. So far the markets are down 2%. Nasdaq is down. Let me check. Tesla down 7%. Nvidia down 5%. Amazon down 4%. Apple down 5 to 6%. Crazy. The Nasdaq is down 3 percentage points. 3 percentage points. $381, we're going down to 380. Like some people called it in the chat, we're going down to 380. Holy moly, guys. This is some insane downside. This is so insane. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Who would have expected this, right? 7% down, just like that. Just because the markets were like, you know what? The elections are going to be negative. Let's just go down 7%. This could potentially secure Biden the win, you know? That's pretty bad. Yeah, we're way down the trend line. Oh, okay, so we're way down the moving average as well. The 50-day. Wow, that's just insane. The 50 is the yellow line, right? We went down at around the 28th of October, and that's when we kept on going downwards. So we'll have to retrace back to the 50-day. And we've gone there. Oh, gosh, this is so negative. Yeah, we're far below the 50-day. We're breaking the trend right now, so that's very bad. Last time we had a move like this, it was in March. So, that's not good. That is not good. Oh my god, this is just ugly. Ugly, ugly, ugly. We might hit the 100 moving average at some point if this keeps going down. I mean, the S&P 500, it's not down that much. It's going below levels, right? It's going below the 100-day moving average. But yeah, people have asked me, why don't you use the moving average? Well, I just don't use it because most people don't know what it is. So, but yeah, it looks like we breached the key support, and we're in free fall right now, which means we have some buying opportunities, right? If you're dollar cost averaging, free fall is like the best opportunity to get some. Wait, is Neo going down? No freaking way. Neo at 30.4. Let me mute the mic. Or, wait, never mind. I'm going to have to do something very briefly. Give me 1 second. One more second. All right, we're back. And Tesla's still very low, 383. Yeah, I've said this before, but I thought it would. The pattern looked a little bit like this pattern over here, where we had a push to the upside. We even see the same MACD right here, and we're gonna have to recover right now in order to see similar movement. I wonder if that's gonna happen though. So I'm looking at the 1 day for Tesla. Something like that would be possible still. RSI very low. We haven't seen such RSI since like March. So, just saying. Still predicting massive moves coming up. We're at 381.3. Wow. Wow. Dang. My portfolio is getting straight up slaughtered right now. Straight up slaughtered. $383, 380.3. Oh, holy moly. 380. We're breaching 380. No freaking way. No way. 380.6. The market isn't even going down. Tesla's going down. No way. 380.3. Oh boy, if you want a buying opportunity for a great stock, Tesla right now is at a discount of about, from the all-time high, it's at a discount of approximately 35%. 35% discount on Tesla right now. Just saying. We're going back to 381. Going back down to 380.5. Interesting. So much selling pressure. Institutions, hedge funds, everybody's selling. Everybody's selling. $379 has been reached. 379.2. Look at that. We're going down all the way. 370, 380. Okay, so there was some bullish pressure there. Look at that. Yeah, okay, we're 381.5. See what happens now. Is this going to be it? Is this the bottom? 380, 381, 381.1. This could be the bullish surge. 381, 381.7. 382. Institutions are buying right now. 382. This could be it. Okay, that was it. That was it. Oh my god. You can't just this is just weird. This is so weird. Look, this is so irregular. 383. We're going up, guys. 383. Look at how small volume that is. The buying pressure is so small, so tiny. $383.3. We're coming back up slowly, bit by bit. Coming back up. All right, so if this is not the bottom, like I'm gonna end the live stream. I'm just gonna go outside for a walk. This is crazy. We already dropped like I think are we like 10% down yet? I think at some point we were like 8% down or something like that. And then considering the fact that we're down from 460, like 465, we're almost down $100 on the price from that point. 380, 40. Yeah, I think this is the bottom. This is the freaking bottom, okay? I'm calling it. I'm calling it again. This is the bottom, okay? We're seeing some bullish pressure right now. Still oversold. We're going to head upwards. It can't go lower than this. It can't go lower than 379. You can't prove me wrong here. Oh, yeah. Is it going up yet? That's what I'm wondering. Okay, we're going up. 383.6. We're going up right now. Could be the bottom. MACD is literally at all-time lows. Well, actually, in September we went lower. We went significantly lower. We even got to about 368. But let's just not look at that right now. Times are different. Q3 was wonderful. Q4 is going to be wonderful. Let's think positive. 383.6. Let me go to the 5-minute chart. Yeah, this is some sign of bottoming. Yeah, definitely. Definitely is a sign of bottoming. We'll see what happens. Lots of pressure to the upside coming in. $384.2. $384 coming back down now. See what's happening. 384. Still very cheap to buy Tesla at. Very cheap, actually. There should be a lot of bullish pressure coming in. We're about to cross over in about 10 minutes. This is going to be a really, really bullish candle. 384.35. 384.07. Going bullish again, 384.5. See if it's going to go up from here. Checking the live chat currently. This is a clear sign that no one wants to buy Tesla anymore. It's not. It's just not. This is a clear sign that there's a lot of downward pressure in the stock market. Yeah, I bought some Tesla, just a couple hundred. I mean, like a couple $100. Bought around here, 382. We're going up, 384.8. Yeah, we're about to return back to 390. $384.7. $385. Slowly, steadily recovering from that really deep low, and we see the S&P 500 is also starting to recover. So potential bottom, we'll see. We'll see. $384, $385 right now. All right, we're going to return to bullish momentum as we drew right there. Yeah, I'm going to check how many people are watching the live stream right now. So we're 208 people watching the live stream. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Gara. I'm lucid trading. I analyze stocks. I do the technicals, the fundamentals. I do live streams, and I really love doing this. And if you don't mind, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell. We're almost at 4,000 subscribers. It's about 50 subscribers left until 4,000. So hit that subscribe button right the hell now, and you'll get good fortune for the coming weeks. And on top of that, guys, check out the Patreon. Patreon link is in the description. If you want to show some love, if you want to support the channel, then hit that link for the Patreon. You can get early access, consultations, buying and selling advice, and on top of that you get Discord exclusivity and posts and updates, many more things at the Patreon if you would like to join. There's also a Discord link in the Patreon. You can get the Discord link in the description, and you'll be able to go to this community, and we're just going to talk about stocks, about finance, about personal things, just everything, right? Everything is in here. So make sure you join the Discord. There's about 200 people in here, just as many as are watching the live stream right now. So join the Discord, guys. Discord in the description. Link is there. And if you want to support me, Patreon link is down below in the description. Let's go back to Tesla. Seems like we're going up right now to 386. Holy moly, we're going back up. Surprise, surprise. We're bottoming. We're pretty much bottoming right now. This is a bottom. This is not going to go lower. This is not going to lower. If this goes lower, I'm going to shut down the live stream. I'm going to go take a walk outside and rethink my life decisions. We went from oversold to really low RSI. We're still at 384, so could be bottoming here. I just got a donation from Vanny Jim or Yim. Let me check. The message was a thumbs up. Thank you, man. Thank you for the donation. I appreciate it. Super chats are always appreciated, guys. We'll all go to equipment. 385.3. It's starting to go up. It's starting to go up. I'm still down huge on my position though. I told you guys this was a great buying opportunity at 379. I mean, when in the next months or years are you going to see 379? Just tell me. Tell me, when are we going to see 379 again? When? Like, just tell me right now. I'm curious. I don't think we're going to see it for a long time. I don't think we're going to see this level for a very long time. I'm going to turn on the lights because it's getting dark in here. We're still at 385.3. Guys, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. That would be awesome. We're almost at 4,000 subscribers. I would really, really appreciate it if you guys would subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Whenever I go live, you'll get a notification when I'm live. And I go live almost every single day at the open and at the close and in the after hours. So subscribe right now to the channel and you'll get very good fortune, and your stocks will go up to the moon and to Mars and to Saturn. So please subscribe, guys. Almost at 4K. I would love to see 4K subscribers. That would be amazing. And then after that, we're going to be heading over to 5K. And then 6K, 7K, 8K to the moon. 486. As I was saying, this Tesla's rising, so that's good. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel, guys. Would be awesome. We're looking like we're bottoming. The MACD just bottomed. So we'll see some potential bullish move coming now. Let's see what the bullish move is going to look like. I'm expecting about 10 to 20 points at least. $10 to $20 points at the least, right? So, yeah. Triple bottom breakout graph. Triple bottom? You mean like this? Or like this is the first and then it will go down again and then again? Or are you talking about 1, 2, 3? So far it's looking like it's going up, 386 coming up. I think we'll see 400s, 406. I think we'll probably go around there, 400s, right around there. I'm gonna have to adjust it a little bit. Seems like I'm very bad with like the timing. I do know the price targets that we're gonna be heading at, just not the timing correctly. 386.3. Wow, that's amazing. What do you think Tesla will be at the end of the year? A lot higher than right now. Probably 100 points higher, $100 points higher, $100 to $200 points higher than what we are right now. So this is a great buy. End of the year, Tesla's going to look pretty amazing. Well, it depends though, because if it's like the end of the year, like end, then I would say like 400 to 450. But if it's like mid-November, beginning of December, I would say really high, like 540, 500 to 540-ish, potentially higher than that. Still not going through the 386. It's having a struggle there, like a big struggle, very big struggle. 385.9. Let me check the stock market. What is the stock market doing at the moment? Because that's important too. Stock market is starting to recover. Tesla should start to recover as well. We're at 386.7. We're going up, guys. We're going up. Up to the moon. Starting to recover now. We called the bottom. Was pretty easy to call though, so it's fine. Now let's see if we're going to go back to the 400s. It does look like if we're correct on this, this could be the first candle of many to come. Here we had a move of like 10 points, but this move was so steep that we have to look at similar moves to the downsides to get a little bit of information. So this move right here, let me zoom into that. Right now we're at 386.45. I think this was October 2nd. We're going to look at the 5 minutes. So we had a move. Our move was deeper than this, right? But we have a similar price move, about 30 points. And we went up from the MACD went down significantly, and then we had a move of about 20 points, 20 to 30 points, right? 20 points, $20. We could see a $20 increase, so that would bring us to about $400, $400 to $405. We're at 387, so it could bring us right around here if we recover. If the markets start going bullish again, I'll see 410 coming up. Yeah, it's starting to really run bullish now. We're recovering. We're going to recover like a lot. We're going to recover most of this downturn. Institutions are starting to buy. So we're at 386.9. RSI is recovering, still below neutral. Still a little bit below neutral. Very low. I'm checking the live chat right now. Yo, Delix, you got muted. I don't appreciate that kind of negativity, man. Marcio Moraes, I'll give you moderator. You can be the moderator. 387 right now. Great. Really hard time to keep checking on the stock market. Why are you even here, Marcus? Who's Marcus? From 460 to 380, and then when it goes back to 390, you said it's going to go. Just wait, you know, I've been in Tesla so long. I kind of know these kind of price movements, right? This happens. This is oh gosh. This is like a daily thing with Tesla, right? This kind of things. It just happens. You have to always be prepared for Tesla to take a dip, to take an L. This is why we dollar cost average. These kind of things happen. And if you say that you didn't see this coming, well, have you ever looked at the price movement? Like, we go down 10%, 5% easily, 15% easily. If you're not prepared for those moves, then why are you in Tesla? That's a question you should ask yourself. If you're not prepared for like 10% moves to the downside. Glenn says, love this channel, you just made me some money. This is just guidance, but if you made money, that's great. So wait, the exponential moving average, right? Hold on, I'm gonna go to the daily, or maybe it shows 4 hours. Yeah, we want to go back to that moving average, right? The 50. It doesn't show it properly. $386.9, still up huge. Starting to go up, starting to bounce. We'll see if it's going to retrace to the 400s. It could stay at this level for today, honestly. So crazy. This is so freaking crazy. Let's go to the 3 minutes. Is it gonna go sideways? It's looking like it's gonna go sideways, guys. So far. Look at that huge downturn in comparison to the upwards momentum. So terrible. 387.5. Yeah, the whole stock market is correct crashing. So 388 about to be hit. 388 about to be hit. Very, very close. $387.7. MACD is starting to go up. Oh my. We'll have to go above the 394, definitely. This is so terrible. This could come back down, actually. It's looking like it's gonna come back down. Wow. Whoa, this is not okay. This is not okay. This is not okay. Oh, 388.7. Cool, cool. We'll take that. 388.7. Let me check the chat right now. We're pushing higher and higher. $388.8, 380, 389 coming up, possibly. $387.95, 388. Nothing much happening. Let me check how many people are watching right now. Oh, 200 people watching right now. Guys, my name is Gara. I am Lucid Trading. I do stock analysis, fundamental analysis, technical analysis for your favorite stocks. And I try to give you the best guidance that I can based off of technicals and fundamentals. And guys, if you would like to support my channel, make sure you click on the Patreon link down in the description. You can get early access consultations, buy and sell signals, many more things like consultations, as I said before, advice, and live Q&As at the Patreon. Link is down below. It would really help the channel out. And on top of that, there's a link for the Discord, so you can check out the Discord. There's a link in the description, and it will take you to the community where we talk about trading, we talk about finance, and we could talk about everything about investing and many more things. All right, let's go back to the charts. Also, guys, I'm almost at 4,000 subscribers. I would really appreciate it if you guys could hit that subscribe button. I would do my channel so much good. About like 50 subscribers away, so tap that subscribe button like you've never tapped before, and let's go to the moon. 386.7. Damn. Yeah, we're starting to come back down. Definitely. It's not good. It's not good. We have to go up. We have to go up to the moon. I'm checking the live chat right now. We're going to 368. We're gonna have a brief correction. This is not good. This is not good. But it could go up after that. After this brief correction, it could go up. I mean, who is selling at this point? That's what I'm trying to wonder. That's what I'm trying to guess, you know? Like, who's selling? It's probably not the institutions, right? Look at the low volume. Institutions were selling right there. I mean, who's selling at this point? Well, the volume is growing bigger and bigger on the selling pressure. $385.7. Damn. Is that a cup and handle? It does seem like we're going to see some more negativity, guys. It does seem like the MACD is going down, the RSI is starting to go down again. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That's looking bad. Prepare for 383 again. I mean, that looks pretty bad. There's a lot of volume on the bullish. Lots of volume coming in. Possibly a bullish candle. $386. Let me check the market cap of Tesla. Tesla market cap. Wow, we sliced off like 40 billion in market cap. Tesla's PE ratio is now, it was like 1200, it was 1200. The PE ratio went down to 764. That is incredible. That's more than a 40% reduction in PE ratio, right? 30 to 40% downwards in PE ratio. So that's really good for Tesla. I mean, this is more and more becoming a solid stock, a solid company. Yeah, I think we're starting to move down a little bit. It's a little bit of a correction. You see that right there in the MACD. When was the last time we went down this big? I mean, this must have been like the 23rd of October? Probably. Around that time. Yeah, we don't want to go down further. So 386, 385 it's holding. It's holding it. So far, it's holding it. Jacob says, keep dropping Tesla, hopefully to $300. I want to buy as much as possible. Yeah, I get that. I have the same feeling. Like, I want to buy as much as possible. It can keep on dropping for me. I wish I had more to buy. I'm stuck at 237. My insurance is offering 10K. Yeah. I bought heavily this morning. I saw red and pressed buy, Nathan says. Yeah, these are some good buying opportunities, definitely. And as I say that, Tesla goes down. Look at that. It's like as if this was not enough. It's gonna form another bottom, potentially. It's gonna be a higher low, though. But I'm gonna have to check one thing, so let me just briefly do that. Okay, so we're down 6%, but the markets is down. So we're down 3 times what the markets are down. And we see similar movements happening on the S&P. So where the S&P goes is where Tesla goes so far. I think the same thing could be said about the Nasdaq, though. So let me check the Nasdaq. Yeah, this is horrible. Horrible. I'm gonna close this. Still at 385. it's a buying opportunity. It is. It's just if you can hold it until like next week, this is a great buy. Now I'm gonna stretch a little bit. This is definitely a discount. You're getting Tesla like 30% cheaper than normal, so. Imagine if you bought like after the stock split at $500, you would be down like what, $24, 24%. I mean, that's quite literally insane. That's insane. I think markets aren't going to go down further than this. Everything is priced in. Every little thing is priced in right now. And if it does go further down, it's probably going to be a market crash. Like 20 to 30% market crash. I mean, we're already down 10%. So we could go down another 20. So it's either a market crash or we're just going to keep going up. So it's up or down. But I think we'll be fine. I think this is going to come back very soon. We already saw a 30% crash in March, so plus the Federal Reserve is they're buying so many assets at this point. But yeah, guys, make sure you hit the subscribe button because right now, guys, right now I have 3,950 subscribers. I'm almost at 4,000. I would really, really appreciate it if you guys would hit that subscribe button right now. You'll get notifications for live streams, for every Tesla video, for every video that I release. And there are going to be some really exciting videos coming up. So make sure you tap that subscribe button like mad. Smash that button right now, and it will go to the moon, just like Tesla's price right now. It's starting to go up huge. And also hit the thumbs up on the live stream if you want to see me live more often. And if you want to support the channel, guys, check out the Patreon. We got many benefits, from early access to videos to consultations where I give advice, buy and sell signals that I post, along with updates, Discord exclusivities. It's all on the Patreon. You can find the link below. There are many different tiers. You can find this link in the description and support me on Patreon. All the donations are going to go to better quality streams, better quality videos, and yeah, link in the description. Discord link is also going to be in the description, guys. So make sure you join the community. There are about 200 people to about 220 people in the Discord right now. And we talk about trading, we talk about finance, investing, everything. Make sure you join. I'll be seeing you soon in the Discord. Link in the description, and let's go back. Tesla going up to 386.2 right now. All right. So far, so good. So far, so good. I bought a hell of a lot of shares, so any upside movements coming up is going to be like a lot. Look, do you see that volume? Holy crap, do you see that volume? Those are institutions buying up like a crap ton of shares, like a lot of shares. This volume is super large. It's about as large as we had right there. So institutions are starting to gobble up those Tesla shares. This is very bullish signal. We're about to see some bullish moves coming to the upside. Just wait, it's going to be incredible. I'm going to move this right there. Maybe this is going to look a little bit more accurate for a little bit of guidance, you know, just in case. I'm using Trading 212. It is my favorite platform at the moment. It's a European platform. If you would like to use Trading 212, there is a link to Trading 212 in the description right now. You can get a free share up to about $100 if you sign up to Trading 212 It's one of the best trading platforms out there. Link is in the description. If you sign up with that link, you get $100 or around $100 in free stock. So, yeah, it's a pretty great app. I'm using it right now, so it's pretty nice. I think it's based in the UK. ARK Invest is buying. Of course they're buying. Why wouldn't they be buying? Everybody should be buying right now. These prices are so cheap. Super cheap prices. Let me check the live chat. I'm afraid it's going to 350. I don't think it's going to go to 350. Is Tesla going down more? I don't think so. Is this another market crash? Potentially. We'll see around the election time what's going to happen. Could happen. So sad. No more money to buy. I feel you. I literally feel you. $386.46 right now. Right, so it's still looking like we're going to see some bearish momentum to the downside, though. Yeah, like this looks like we're going to see some sideways to bearish momentum. Well, actually, wait, never mind. This could continue. This could continue to about right here. But we'll see. 385.76 right now. Some selling pressure, short volume selling pressure from probably retail traders. Very low volume. The retail is selling out at these prices. Crazy stuff. Like, why would you sell at these prices? Possibly people shorting it. Do you think NIO will crash like Tesla anytime soon? Yes. I've actually projected that in my videos. I think 5 years from now, Tesla will be... They'll probably look at another stock split. I think 5 years from now, Tesla would be around $1,200 to $1,400 per share. So that would be about around the $1 to $1.5 trillion market cap 5 years from now, at the least, right? I think it could reach 2 trillion by 6-7 years with the way it's going right now. Still going sideways, creating a support around 385.7. Very interesting. Still at 385. We're stuck at that price range. Jeez. Okay, we're going lower now. Not good. It's not good. Alrighty. Yeah, my positions are going lower as well, which is not good. Significantly lower. So I would say we're forming a support right now at the 485. Probably safe to say it will stay below 400 until after the election, Glenn Lazaro says. Well, let's see if your hypothesis is correct. No, that's not true. No, that's not true. No, we're probably gonna be above 400, but in the low 400s, and we're probably gonna keep skyrocketing very soon after the elections when we know what the result is gonna be, when the uncertainty goes away. However, I've got a gut feeling that this is gonna be priced in a little bit before the election. So they're gonna have projections a lot, right? Like, is Biden gonna win? Is Trump gonna win? And they're gonna project that, and they'll know beforehand what the most probably winner is going to be. So the 30 minutes is showing us that we bottomed. We literally bottomed right now, which is really nice. We could head back to 407, 417. Based off of this, I think we could go back to like 417 by Monday, right? So in between 406 and 417 by Monday. From what I can see here, if the markets remain this way, if the markets don't worsen, if it doesn't go to 3%, right, then we will see us go back to 417 pretty soon with Tesla. And Apple is still down at 109, so we said it would go up, but then the markets crashed. So I would like pretty much move this here. I think on the 1 hour we're also bottoming. Yeah, we're about to bottom on the 1 hour as well, so about to look something like that. So far, so good. This was a great buying opportunity. You should take advantage of these kind of situations. This is a great buying opportunity. Oh, is NIO not a car company? Guys, can you please explain to me what NIO does aside from selling electric cars? I would like to know. I've not looked into the fundamentals too much so far. Are they trying to copy Tesla, like with like NIO Energy, NIO batteries, or well, what are they trying to do? Are they really trying to copy Tesla with everything they do? No, I don't think this has to do with Tesla Autopilot. I think this has to do with. So, what I think is going to happen, I've already showed this on the daily chart. There's going to be a huge rally. 1 second, if I could show you. I think on the daily, you can see this properly. I think what we're seeing now, this is crucial, right? I think what we're seeing now is we're creating price stability like we did right there. We're creating price stability right around here, but at a higher level, right? And this last piece looks a lot like this last piece. Here we almost hit the trend line. Here we hit the trend line. Then we bounced, and then we're probably going to bounce soon. And the reason we're going to bounce is because there's news going to be coming out about the S&P 500 inclusion. Q4 deliveries are going to be coming up very soon. And Q4 earnings. We've got guidance is going to be increased for 2021 from 750K to 1 million cars. So those things are going to be priced in very soon. On top of that, stock markets are going to start rallying because of stimulus coming out after the election, which is not priced in yet. If Donald Trump becomes president, then that's a 50% chance of us going to the moon, right? Because if Donald Trump becomes president, we'll see another move to the upside. Even if Biden becomes president, it wouldn't be too bad for Tesla since he'll offer tax credits and many benefits to green energy companies like Tesla. So this will cause us to run upwards significantly very, very soon. And I think institutions are withholding right now, and they're just going to find the perfect buying opportunity at a very, very low price, and then they're going to surge the stock price. They're going to buy in so many shares for this rally. But we'll see. We'll see. Maybe I'm wrong, but this is my projection for now. RSI is at a level where we usually bounce like significantly. I'm just going to say that. Let me delete these things. Back to the 3 minutes. But yeah, you can believe me. You can look at the technicals yourself, form your own opinion. It's all on you. Yeah, Tesla's going to correct a little bit. We're probably going to go down to the 383, aren't we? Most probably. Hold on. Whew. For the new people out there, guys, my name is Gara. I'm Lucid Trading, and I make videos about technical analysis, fundamental analysis of stocks, your favorite stocks. I try to give you the best probable guidance there is. And if you want to see more of these live streams, if you want to see more of these videos, then hit the thumbs up right now, hit the like button. On top of that, guys, subscribe to the YouTube channel. We're almost at 4,000 subscribers. I would really appreciate that. That would be incredible. So I think we need about 40 to 30 subscribers. So we got 220 people watching the live stream right now. It would be awesome to reach 4,000. That would make my day. So hit the subscribe button, like the video. If you want to support me on Patreon, there's a link in the description. You can get many benefits on Patreon. And if you want to join the Discord, feel free to do so. Also a link in the description for the Discord. We talk about trading, investing, finance, etc. Alright, let's go back to the charts. We're like so close to the 4,000 subscribers. It is insane. We were 1 week ago, we're like at 3,000, right? One week ago, we were at 3,000 subs. Now we're at 4,000 almost. I'm gonna check the live chat 1 second. Guys, I'm gonna go to the toilet briefly. I'm gonna take a little toilet break. Give me 1 second. Just Guys, I'm going to briefly check my chats. I'll be returning to the screen in about a couple seconds. One second. Alright, so I'm back. Had to check some private chats. We're at 386 right now. How can they include how they can include Tesla when it's this volatile? Well, I'll explain to you right now. So the price has been stabilizing ever since the stock split, right? It's okay right now. It's a little bit volatile in comparison, but still, if we take a look at the not the 30 minutes, but if we take a look at the daily. When you take a look at the daily, we can see that in comparison to the past, our MACD and RSI has been pretty stable. It's not been moving up and down that much. So they could pretty much, I mean, considering that the technical is looking more stable instead of this volatile mess that it was in, this could very well just be a time to be getting the inclusion done, because they're going to have 6 consecutive quarters of profit, and they'll have to get in eventually, you know. So. Whew, yeah, bottoming on the 30 minutes, bottoming on the 1 hour, 4 hours iffy, would probably bottom very soon too. I'm gonna look at the 5 minutes again. Great buying opportunity. Crazy. This is like Black Friday. Honestly, this is Black Friday. Let's be real. This is Black Friday. You're getting discounts. This is literally Black Friday right now. Alright guys, I'm going to be streaming for 4 more minutes, so just keep that in mind. I'm going to start recording videos for today, so if you want to be there at the next live stream, or if you want to see the next video, make sure you are subscribed to the channel, guys. You'll get notifications if you click the notification bell. That would be awesome. I would really appreciate that. And on top of that, guys, if you would like to support the channel, obviously the link of the Patreon is down below, and the link of the Discord is going to be right along here with us. If you want to join the community, feel free to do so. Many links in the description. I'm gonna do. I think Tesla's gonna stay at this level and then eventually bounce back up. For today, I'll be making more videos about that. Checking the live stream right now. Let's check SQ. Square. I think Square is a solid. I mean, you could buy some. I would buy some, you know. Looking fine. Give me some stock requests, guys. Give me some stock requests in the chat. I got 3 more minutes. Neo. Let me check Neo. Yeah, I said it would go lower, right? Is Neo a buy right now? I would stay away from Neo right now. I think I would stay from Neo away. Yeah, I would stay away from Neo right now. I would stay away from that. Work. Work looks like a solid buy. I would buy a little bit more. Zoom. I think Zoom is... I'm going to change my sentiment on Zoom, probably. I would buy a small amount of Zoom, a very small amount of Zoom. Zoom is down huge. PayPal. Yeah, PayPal is a small buy as well. PayPal is a small buy. Etsy. I think Etsy is a solid buy. What's the market cap? Yeah, Etsy is a solid buy. It's a solid buy. Microsoft. Microsoft is a solid buy. $200, I'll take that. Microsoft, a solid buy at $200. Fastly, Palantir, Apple. Apple is a solid buy right now. Checking it, 108, that's a great buy for Apple. Fastly, looking like a great buy. Palantir. Let's see how Palantir is holding up. Yeah, I did say we would correct to like $10, right? So, yeah, it's looking like a good buy as well for earnings. Earnings is coming up. Sweet. Wow, that is great. Palantir looking like a fantastic buy for earnings. I would dollar cost average. It could go lower to the 9.75. Netflix. All right, I'm gonna do Netflix real fast, and then Tesla. Netflix is a solid buy. Tesla is a solid buy. We are recovering at 387.4. All right, guys, this was the live stream. If you want to support my channel, guys, you can check out the Patreon just like that. We have many tiers with different kind of benefits like early access, consultations, buying and selling signals. I could give you advice and many more things. You can chat with me on the Patreon. There is many different options to support my channel. All the money donated is going to be going towards new equipment like a microphone, laptop, mouse, etc. And on top of that, guys, check out the Discord. The Discord link is in the description. We talk about trading, we talk about finance, we talk about everything. There's about 220 people in the Discord. Make sure you join. Links are down below in the description of the Patreon and the Discord. And on top of that, guys, make sure you hit the like button if you enjoyed this live stream. I am super tired right now. Hit the subscribe button and we'll get to 4,000 subscribers. We're almost there, so hit the subscribe button. You'll get a notification whenever I go live next, which would probably be at around market close today. So, guys, this was Lucid Trading. I hope you have a very nice day and a nice weekend. I'll be seeing you.